To swap cryptocurrencies on Crypto.com, start by opening the app and clicking on Accounts at the bottom. From there, select Crypto Wallet to view all the cryptocurrencies you currently own. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to swap, such as Tether or USDT, and click on it. Then, click on Sell and select Crypto instead of cash, indicating that you want to sell one cryptocurrency for another. For example, you can choose to sell USDT for Ethereum by clicking on Ethereum and then confirming the sale. After entering your passcode, the transaction will be complete. You can then return to your crypto wallet to see that you now own the new cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum, instead of the original one. This process allows you to easily swap between different cryptocurrencies on Crypto.com.